Hey everyone, welcome back to the Eczema channel. Today I want to let you know about a really exciting product that I just discovered has a powerful effect on eczema. And if you're struggling with constant staph infections and yeast infections, this could really help you. So I didn't use this, I wasn't aware of this when my own children were healing from eczema. I've recently become aware of it. So I've studied out and found out how this works. And it really is a very, very helpful substances. So let's have a look. I want to highlight this mineral. It is called sulphur, and it is often overlooked. You don't hear about this from your doctors, they don't recommend it. But it can soothe your skin radically, and you can use it inside and out as well. So if you or your child is struggling from repeated flares, then let's learn about sulphur and how it can help you. So first of all, what is sulphur? Sulphur is a naturally occurring mineral, and it's found in volcanic ash. If you go to a volcano and you smell that eggy smell, that's the smell of the sulphur. Sulphur is also found in certain foods like garlic and onions, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and not surprisingly it's in eggs because they have that eggy smell when they go off as well. High protein animal foods like beef, turkey, chicken, fish and shellfish are also high in sulphur-rich amino acids like methionine and cysteine. And sulphur is very important because it plays a role in collagen development. That's what keeps your skin structure healthy and strong. It also helps with detoxification, with immune health, and that's why it has a long history of use in eczema treatment, even though people aren't told about it. It will usually come in the form of creams, balms, there's sulphur soaps, and also you can take it as a supplement called MSM. Excuse my big book, I'm old-fashioned, I write everything. Hey everyone, I hope this video is helping you. I just wanted to jump on and let you know I have a whole step-by-step course on healing eczema. I managed to map all the inner workings of eczema when my 4 children had it. And this is more than just talking about steroids and what the best creams. It's a lot more than talking about gut health and allergies. Eczema involves 8 different medical areas in the body, and they all intertwine and create these loop systems that keep you trapped. So I managed to map this, and it's what I used to free my 4 children and what I've used to help many other people around the world in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, India, Caribbean. So if you are thinking, you know what, this eczema is so frustrating and there has to be more than I'm being told, you're right, there is. But I've laid it all out for you. I've mapped it all and I've put it in the course, and I also have a book. So check the links in the description and check out the course and the book. You won't be sorry that you did. It will blow your mind what you haven't been told. So number 2, the ways that sulphur helps eczema. So I'm going to give you 5 ways that eczema is helped by sulphur. So number 1, firstly, it's antimicrobial, and it's very, very good with fungus as well, antifungal. It's particularly effective at treating staph, which we know is a reoccurring problem with eczema. So staph and another one called Malassezia yeast. Both of these are highly proliferated on the skins of people with eczema. They have far higher populations of those than people who don't have eczema. And it's one of those things that causes flares to keep repeating. So sulphur is very good at bringing those populations down of those pathogens. Number 2, it's anti-inflammatory. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that reduce the redness, the itching and the swelling. And it also supports glutathione production. Glutathione is one of the master antioxidants in the body. And that calms down, glutathione helps to calm down an overreactive immune system, which your doctor probably would have told you have an overreactive immune system. Number 3, sulphur has a gentle, natural exfoliation property to it. And that helps to break down that thick, scaly, crusty skin that forms on the top of eczema patches. So that helps to soften and smooth out the skin as well and get rid of those rough patches. It also helps new, healthier skin to come to the surface more easily when you're sloughing off those dead skin cells. But it's gentle, it's not scrubbing exfoliant. Number 4, it supports the skin microbiome balance. Your skin has trillions of microbes on it, both good and bad. In eczema, the ratio gets out of balance and you have more pathogenic ones and less of the commensurate or friendly ones. Sulphur helps to reduce the pathogenic ones, so it helps to rebalance the microbiome into more beneficial levels. And this helps to reduce the cycles of infection as well. And then number 5, you can take it internally for skin repair as well. Sulphur isn't just for topical use. The supplement called MSN that I mentioned as well is an organic sulphur compound that you can take as a supplement, just like half a teaspoon a day. It's known for its anti-inflammatory effect. It benefits your joints, it helps skin repair, and people are using it for anti-aging as well because it's so good for the skin. Some eczema sufferers have reported much fewer flares and softer skin after they take MSN as a supplement, and that's probably due to the enhanced collagen production and the detoxification as well, for both of those are necessary for healing eczema. So you can check with your health professional about taking MSN or any other supplements, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing other health conditions and you're on medication. Just check with them about taking that internally. Now, thirdly, I wanted to just let you know how to use the sulphur for eczema. If you're considering using sulphur, here's some ways that you can use it safely. Number one, topical sulphur creams or soaps. You can buy them in different concentrations. They start at 2%. Don't go higher than 5% if you're just starting to use it. And also patch test it, just to make sure you're not going to react to it. As one of my consultants said to me about my children, one man's medicine is another man's poison. So because eczema is not, it's not a skin condition, it's got so many different causes, so many different triggers. It's not a disease in itself. It is the fact that you have something going on in your body that is manifesting as an eczema rash, and you have to determine what it is. You have to find out what's gone wrong in your body, and it's not the same for everybody. This is what I help people to find out and learn about in my course. It's not the same for everybody, and that's why some of the treatments that people recommend work for them and they don't work for you when you try them, because we think eczema is a skin condition. Oh, it's this. And it's not. And that's why you can hear people arguing on different forums as well, like, oh, eczema's caused by detox and liver congestion, I need to detox. No, it's not. Eczema's caused by high histamine levels and food allergies. No, it's not. Eczema's caused by an overactive immune. Well, they're all involved. They're all involved. And your one could be from any one of them. So that's why you often get frustrated. I know, because I've been there. I know how frustrating it is when you're trying all these different things and thinking they're going to work, getting your hopes up, and then it gets dashed. So that's one of the things that I help people with. So if you're interested in really learning the deep dive on eczema and what's going on, and you want to know for yourself what's going on, and you know that there's things you haven't been told, then click the link below and check on the course, because I explain everything, what's going on inside your skin. Number two, sulfur, second thing for how to use it, sulfur baths. You can buy sulfur-based mineral powder and you can just add some to your bath. Or if you live near an area where you've got natural sulfur springs, go to the natural sulfur spring. That would be really good if you're blessed to live near one. And then I've said it before, the MSN supplements, you would start, if you're okay to take that between 500 and you can work up to 3,000 milligrams per day. Start slow, build up gradually, and preferably with guidance from a nutritionist that you're under as well. If you use too much sulfur, it can dry your skin out, which is why I say start slow, get a build up effect. You don't want that when you've got eczema, because your skin's already dry anyway. And then so pair it with a good natural moisturizer that has natural lipids in it, things like shea butter, cocoa butter, those kind of things, to help balance the moisture levels and help restore the barrier function. So if you have tried MSN and you have tried sulfur for eczema, I would love to know what your experience was. Please drop it in the comments below, and let's make this a community that people can share. We're all in this to help one another. And if you'd like to understand what's going on with your eczema flares, you want to know what's going on inside of your body so that you can stop shooting in the dark and actually target the right things, then click the link below and find out more about the course and the book that I have written for you. I dive deep into the 8 medical areas. As people don't realize, eczema is 8 medical areas, not one. It's not just skin. 8 medical areas that are involved in driving eczema from the inside, and I teach you how to turn them off so that you can get free. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and share it in your eczema forum groups so that other people can get helped as well. God bless you. See you in the next video.